Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Kublai phi baro knigilongi khubor bam takasni ka Central Executive Committee CEC jungka nyo Tribute Council HYC kalapimna bakan pelongi ke jinyalang padba badrali hakandai lat Shillong haka apply trip naitung haka porsau baji janmit ban penpawi ke jungkershani ke samla puli ki brang yakhi hajantar mantar New Delhi halor ke jingkno baladon ke jinglat tu jongka jingkali examine need barban penram ya ke jingkno bala pendon kambor persha ikinong yakhi bajai jai Habakran shikilat pathai kubor u General Secretary ka HYC ba Emlang Sobian uloong ba ka jingyalang kalong ban penpau ba ka HYC ka yang ringkat bagi samla puli ki badawai ka hok ba ka jing tokit ka bakhut halor ka te ka jingjia Uloong ba ka HYC ka khot bat wer ye ki seng bhalang ki samla puli ki ru start bagi pat ba baro banwani shimbenta ha ka ni ka rally de ka jing sup bat jingya trilang Kadung ke jing tu jang ke jing tu jang ni ka jing na kalong ban penpau ba ka sensar pat ba ka hok But kitchen da pula ai da kali kitchen shah jo kali India kali kan nong
भाई पुलिसों की संख्या वहाँ पे देखो भाई ये देखो पुलिसों की भाई भाई मार के भाई भाई सिखा गए भाई सिखा गए ओ भाई सिखा गए भाई कोई मत देखो पुलिसों को मार दिया भाई दंगा हो गया भाई दंगा हो गया भाई ये देखो भाई भाई दंगा हो गया भाई दंगा हो गया
भाई दंगा हो गया पावु ya kitchen spokesman hakin balayo jingke patno mat bersama kita ini layo jingke kendu menteri pokok kita ke sarkar dai Bat ka government baka sarkar pengkan
भाई पुलिसों की संख्या वहाँ पे देखो भाई ये देखो पुलिसों की भाई भाई मार के भाई
भाई सिखा गए भाई सिखा गए
ओ भाई सिखा गए भाई
president ka Meghalaya BJP
पुलिसों को मार
Morcha
दिया
Lokran Baribansian ekonomi ki mudui de
भाई दंगा हो गया भाई दंगा हो गया भाई दंगा हो गया
ka HYC ka on ba kum ki children ki long ki bom don chingit kri ki ba kum jingma ba ki me hap satya ba kum sim jabal sin sha
भाई पुलिसों की संख्या वहाँ पे देखो भाई ये देखो पुलिसों की भाई भाई मार के भाई भाई सिखा गए भाई सिखा गए ओ भाई सिखा गए भाई
kapukut ka HYC
देखो पुलिसों को मार दिया दंगा हो गया भाई दंगा हो
samla
गया
puli bat ka samlashnong bikin wani shimbenta bun pat hakragi
भाई दंगा हो गया
shani ka samla ki bi khi hadalhi bar banya dai ka hok ka sinshar pat ba bar ke jingya da bala ai de ka riti sinshar kari India
तो वैसे किस तरीके से जाम कर रहे हैं पूरा गेट बैरिकेड हटा रहे हैं यहाँ से
भाई पुलिसों की संख्या वहाँ पे देखो भाई ये देखो पुलिसों की भाई भाई मार के भाई भाई सिखा गए ओ भाई सिखा गए भाई भाई मत देखो पुलिसों को मार दिया भाई दंगा हो गया भाई दंगा हो गया भाई ये देखो भाई दंगा हो गया भाई दंगा हो गया भाई दंगा हो गया
Education Cell CEC. Today we have convened this press conference to invite all the student, the youth, civil society organization, the intellectual and all concerned citizens to attend a public meeting which will be held tomorrow on the 23rd at 4 p.m. onwards at the location is in PB or Old Secretariat or Old Assembly Gate. The purpose of us organizing this public meeting is to express our solidarity with the student protesting in Delhi and also to condemn the reported use of excessive force against these peaceful demonstrators. The council firmly believes that in a democratic nation, every citizen have the right to express their view peacefully, and such views should be treated in a democratic way and through negotiation, and not rather than through suppression. Therefore, the council invite and call upon all the concerned citizens of the state to participate peacefully and actively in this public meeting which is called upon by the New Tribute Council, so that to show that our collective presence will send a clear message to the government of India that the system of justice, democracy and the protection of constitutional rights still upheld by the citizens of the country. And therefore, we also call upon each and everyone who will be participating tomorrow to maintain peace and discipline throughout the meeting, and also to uphold the value of unity and non-violence, because this is a movement which we are fighting for the future and the well-being of the student of the country. So we believe that everyone, especially the school student and college student, will participate actively in this public meeting called upon by the Hindu Trap Youth Council. The timing regarding this public meeting will be from 4 p.m. onwards at at Kandailat, all assembly gate. We have not taken any decision yet whether we will go or not to participate out there in Delhi. But since we have seen that the leaders of the CGP have met with the health minister to apprise them regarding the demands, and also we have seen today that the the education minister himself, he have expressed the statement that the government is intending to hold a discussion with the protesting student, and we will see what is the outcome, and based on the outcome the council will take a call whether directly with the protesting student in New Delhi or not. From the council side, we also would like to strongly condemn the statement made by the youth wing president of the BJP, because such statement cannot be tolerated. These protesting students cannot be treated as terrorists, as we have seen through the post being circulated and which has been viral, that the president of the BJP has stated that these students should be shut, and also UAPA sedition cases should be invoked against them. The council clearly stated that we condemn such statement, and we demanded that the BJP leadership of Meghalaya should take stern action against its leader. It's very clear. The leadership, the BJP leadership of Meghalaya should take a stern action and should also compel him to resign from his position, which is holding presently as the president of the BJP youth wing, on the student community and also on the youth of the state. And if anything, any untoward incidents happen because out of the anger arise from the statement made by the BJP youth president, the government and the BJP leadership in the state should take the responsibility.